Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLashawn here. So you guys, I'm so sorry. This video should have been up a couple of days ago, but I did come down with food poisoning. So I was just in the bed resting and trying to get better so that I can start back recording more videos and doing editing and doing the things that I love to do around my home. So today I'm going to be finishing up my Ikea Pax system in my closet and my husband's closet. And right now what you see us doing is just putting together the drawers so that we can install them. So this was the day before the installation. And you guys, let me just tell you all, I am loving my closet. I cannot wait to do the tour and show you all around and what I've done and the things that I've added to it and the clothes and accessories and how I have it organized. But today I'm just putting together everything so you guys can see this. I hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you like it. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment. And please also remember to check the description box. I always leave information in there that you guys may want to ask and things like that. So just please check the description box. Other than that, thank you all for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, y'all, I am officially done with my closet and I am so in love. So you guys see those shoes there? I only put those there so I can know how high to lift my shelves because I do have some shoes that are pretty high and some boots, so they won't be staying like that. But this is it, you guys. I'm so excited. I've already put a couple of things on the shelf. It is actually almost 12 o'clock at night here right now, almost midnight. And so I just finished hanging those two and these shelves and this here and all of these right here. I put together the drawers yesterday and I started installing them today, which didn't take long at all. So tomorrow I have some errands to go and run and some things to take care of for my kids. And when I come back, I am going to come in and clean everything off, like the glass here and over here, and then the picture frame. Well, I'll go over that later. I don't want to give everything right now, but this is the finished product. I just have one more rail to hang, which is this one, and I have to go and get it because originally she gave me a pull-out complimentary, whatever it's called. I don't even know. It's like a pull-out thing that you put your jeans on, but it did not fit. It couldn't pull out because this was in a way, which I told her that was going to happen, and she insisted that it wouldn't. So, so now I'm just going to go ahead and install a rod. I was thinking about putting like my boots there, my high boots. I'm going to see, because I have this side that I can put my dresses and things like that on, like this go down this way. So maybe I'll start cleaning up first, and if I don't have enough room for my pants to go here or maybe there, then I'll go ahead and install the rod here. But if not, I think I'm gonna leave this for the boots. Yeah, because I have some high boots. But this is it. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. And I mean, I measured everything to the T. So I was still nervous about it because I didn't know how it was gonna look. And it came out just the way I imagined. I am so, so happy. The only thing is I do have to get some more baseboards to put down here. I pulled my baseboards up, and I shouldn't have. I should have left them, but I was listening to other people saying that you want it to be flushed against the wall and all of that, which is probably a good thing, but it left this. So I'm going to have to figure out how to fix this. I'm going to purchase a rug. I'm going to find a couple of things, a couple of accessories to dress it up and make it look good, but I am so, 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 so happy. So, so happy. This is his. We still have to install all the shoe shelves here. So that I will get to tomorrow. We've already started putting some of his clothes in here. Yeah. And here's that. And then all of his ties, which I don't know why I love this drawer, but I do. So my plan is to get everything hung up in the closets and to clean up really, really good, because my house has been a disaster since we've done this, since we started this, because we put together the frames and everything ourselves. So it's been really, really messy in the house, especially our room and our bathroom. So this is it, guys. All right, peace out. See you guys later.